Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Police Insider. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. What started as another domestic violence call quickly turned violent after a man returned to his girlfriend's home, despite previous arrests for refusing to stay away from her. This time, officers were responding to allegations that he put her in a chokehold right in front of their child. The breakdown starts now.
Is everything all right? Everything?
Yeah.
No?
But I keep allowing him to come back.
Okay. Well, did you put her in a chokehold? Is she telling the truth, or?
No, definitely not, man.
Janelle, you just want to step outside and have a word with me?
Watch what the officers are doing here. Getting her away from everyone else usually means they want answers without outside pressure or interruptions.
So you said he put you in a chokehold?
Like this.
Around your neck? Did he, like, tighten it, or did he just... Yeah? How much has he had to drink tonight?
Over 4 cans of the Natty Daddies.
Those like the big ones?
Yeah.
There's no weapons or anything in the house? No guns, knives, or anything I should know about?
I mean, kitchen knives.
Kitchen knife, right. Okay. Oh, he locked us out.
Pay attention to the pushback starting here. Officers usually get more alert the moment someone starts resisting simple instructions during a domestic call.
Don't want to step outside and have a chat with me?
I want to know what's going on, man.
Well,
she's throwing on my slides right now, and I know how she is, bro.
These are mine, Adrian.
all right.
No, because I have literally everything.
Adrian.
Like, I stream on Xbox.
Right.
I know this. You want to be aggressive?
No.
Yes, you do,
I'm not
bro.
trying. Dude, I know you. That's why I want you to step outside so I can talk to you.
Okay. Bro, all day. Stop slapping my.
I didn't slap you.
You just did.
Listen to the way he explains the situation here. Sometimes it's not just what's being said, it's how the whole explanation comes across to officers on scene.
So, what's going on, man?
Bro, there's nothing going on, man.
Did that happen?
If there's a chokehold, it's only but play.
It doesn't seem like it's play. She seems like she's pretty, worried about you, and she's a little scared right now. So
No, bro. There's nothing that we should be worried about. A lot more. Okay, I didn't call the police, but like, damn, when has it been serious like that? She knocked my headphones outside of my head.
Watch the energy start changing here. You can feel officers realizing this conversation may not stay calm much longer.
No, bro, because guess what? I live here, bro. If I want to walk inside, I can.
Why don't you try that? See how it goes.
Yeah? You want to try me?
Try it.
Try me?
To the right, to the right, to the right.
Yeah, bro. Try me, bro.
easy. Take your hand out from underneath you. Put your hands behind your back, Adrian. You're just gonna make it worse. Put your hands behind your back.
Pay attention to the struggle continuing on the ground here. Officers are trying to get control fast before this situation turns even more dangerous.
Let go of the handcuff. Let go of the handcuff. Let go of the handcuff. Let go of the handcuff, Adrian.
Let go of the handcuff.
Let go of the handcuff, Adrian.
Let go. Who is that right here? Who is that, bro? Nah, bro, I want to know what that name is, bro.
All right.
Okay.
Go up to your knees.
Oh, what the f*** you doing?
Watch what happens as they start moving him to the patrol car. This is usually where frustrated suspects either calm down or completely lose control.
Oh, yeah? Ah! You gonna bang your head on that? You gonna bang your head on that?
Thanks, dude.
No problem. You hear a lot for him?
This is my first time, but we've been to this house a lot of times.
Pay attention to the officers checking on him here. Even in the back seat, you can tell the situation still isn't settling down.
Yo, Adrian, sit up. Adrian, you need to sit up.
I need water!
We will get you water. You need to help us a little bit. You gotta sit up.
Adrian, you gotta sit up.
You gotta sit up.
I need water!
We'll get you water. We are gonna help you. You gotta sit up so you
I
can catch
need
your breath.
water, man!
Adrian, relax. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe, dude. You gotta relax.
Even after officers finally got him into custody, the chaos still wasn't over. Once inside the station, the suspect continued causing problems for staff, constantly demanding water while refusing to follow instructions or calm down. Officers eventually had to secure him to a railing just to stop the situation from escalating further, but keeping him under control turned into a much bigger challenge than anyone expected.
Nothing. Doing nothing, bro. Yeah, you big boy, huh?
What do you want? All right, just put him right here. Of course, Adrian, relax.
No, but who the f is this, bro? Who the f are you?
Sit down.
Stop touching me, bro.
Adrian,
Stop.
Adrian,
Tell him to stop touching me, bro.
then sit down and you'll
Okay.
Sit down. Just sit
He's
down.
teasing me right
No,
now, bro.
he's
He's
not.
got me up.
Just sit down, Adrian.
The suspect was ultimately charged with simple assault and transported to the Warren County Correctional Center following the incident. Because a child was reportedly present during the altercation, the Division of Child Protection and Permanency was also notified as part of the investigation. According to officers, this was not the first time law enforcement had been called to deal with problems involving this relationship, with prior incidents dating back less than 2 years earlier. The repeated police intervention raised ongoing concerns about the pattern of behavior and the escalating nature of these encounters. At the time this video was released, the case was still making its way through the court system, and no final outcome had been announced. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.